Phony lawyer accused of scamming immigrants out of legal fees. New York. The New York Attorney General's office says a man who in 2010 was fined millions of dollars for providing fraudulent immigration services has since started a new company that has continued to bilk immigrants. In a news release, the office called the man a phony lawyer who scammed New York immigrants. The office filed for a criminal and civil contempt order alleging that Vincent Gonzalez violated a 2010 court order barring him from engaging in immigration and other legal services. Gonzalez, operating a company named Godman Society Club Incorporated, is accused of defrauding immigrants out of legal fees by providing legal advice and representation in at least 527 court appearances since 2010. Gonzalez is not registered as a licensed attorney in the state of New York. It's unconscionable that a scammer would prey on immigrants in order to make a quick buck, and it's even more egregious to continue to do so in violation of a court order, Attorney General Schneiderman said in a press release Tuesday. With fear on the rise in communities across the state, my office won't hesitate to use all tools at our disposal to bring to justice those who try to defraud New York's immigrant families. Contacted by phone on Tuesday afternoon, Gonzalez declined to comment. His attorney Oliver Storch said he has not yet received a memorandum filed in New York Supreme Court on Tuesday. I have not received the documents. I want to review them, and once I have, I will address all the allegations the appropriate forum, Storch said. In 2010, while operating a company called Immigration Community Service Corporation, Gonzalez was ordered by the New York Supreme Court to pay two civil penalties of $4,275,000 and $1,845,000, as well as $127,635 in restitution to victims. The office said it began receiving new allegations that Gonzalez was engaged in fraudulent immigration practices in 2015. One alleged victim told the Attorney General's office that Gonzalez repeatedly pressured him to pay $3,000 in anticipation of the victim's arrest, as part of a plan to quickly bail him out of jail. Other charges allegedly included $5,000 as a retainer, $1,500 to investigate the case, and $8,000 to complete the case, according to the memorandum. The Attorney General's OFFI says is another man's application for permanent employment certification to the U.S. Department of Labor was rejected because it was allegedly submitted by Gonzalez with multiple incomplete sections. The memorandum also cites two undercover operations conducted by the Attorney General's office to confirm that Gonzalez was continuing to offer fraudulent immigration services. Gonzalez allegedly offered a combination of both immigration and divorce services to one undercover agent, and was allegedly recorded by the other undercover agent offering both immigration services and legal help for an alcohol summons. The website for Godman Society Club Inc. says the operation can help with a plethora of immigration services, as well as with divorce, child custody, restraining orders, and domestic violence issues. Gonzalez faces up to 6 months in prison on civil contempt charges, plus up to 30 more days on criminal contempt charges, according to the Attorney General's office. Schneiderman's office is also seeking full payment of money owed from the 2010 judgment and up to $1,000 in fines for each day he's judged to be in criminal contempt.